Hello friends, day 57. Crikey O'Reilly, I reckon that might be the toughest day of the trip yet. Whew, only 20 miles, but climbed 7,200 feet, so that's a couple of Snowdons, and I had 50-mile-an-hour plus winds trying to blow me off my feet for most of the day. So even though this week hasn't been particularly tough apart from today, I've just worked out that I've pretty much climbed the height of Everest in 1 week. Anyway, I came over from Galashiels this morning. It was raining to start with, but then the rain stopped and the wind picked up. I came over the old Drove Road and I've ended up tonight in Peebles. I'm in a hotel, partly because I thought, well, if I can't stand up, there's no chance the tent will, and partly because my airbed has sprung a leak again. And so I need a bath so that I can test the airbed and find out where the leak is. So that's what I'm going to be doing shortly. In the meantime, see you on the trail. It's no room with a view, but it does have a roof that's not going to blow off. I have a comfy bed and a bath in the bathroom so that I can check my airbed and find out where that leak is.